How to download Minecraft on your PC or your laptop. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to download and install the Minecraft Java Edition. So let's get started with the process. So we can head over to a browser and go to the official Minecraft download place here. So we can just go over and type in minecraft.net and hit enter, and it will take you to their official site, and you can find the download section for Java Edition directly. So you can scroll down, and there we have this Minecraft Java and Bedrock. You can click on this option since you're trying to download it, and when you scroll a bit, you can just go and wait for this game to load up, and you'll be finding platforms where you can download it. So it is available for Mac, PC, Linux, Chromebook, iOS, Android, etc. So if you want to download it on your PC, you can click on the very first option that is available and head over to the next page. Now we can look out for the right hand side and we can choose up the edition. So we have Deluxe PC Collection and Standard PC Edition. Deluxe PC Collection is for $39.99, whereas Standard is one for $29.99. And Minecraft Java Edition uses Microsoft accounts, so if you do not have one, you can create it before purchasing. After that, you need to pay a certain amount in order to download it. So you can go on, select up the edition and click on checkout option. After that, you can go on with the process of payment and sign up with your Microsoft account if you have not. And after purchase, you can download the official Minecraft launcher from the same site and run the downloaded installer file. And then the Minecraft launcher will be launched, and you can follow the instructions to install the Minecraft launcher on your computer. And that's it. But usually this is how you should be able to download the Minecraft official version. You can follow up this method. The official launcher includes its own Java runtime, so usually you do not need to install Java separately, but you can follow this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.